Nick Rudder for McKee's 37 Marine and RV. Heavy-duty cleaner wax simplifies the detailing process by combining a heavy-cut oxidation remover and a durable synthetic sealant in one easy-to-use formula. Use this to restore the gloss and color to your boat's gel coat and fiberglass surfaces. You can apply this by hand or machine. I apply it by machine because it speeds up the process and produces better results. The synthetic protection provided by heavy-duty cleaner wax will resist the UV rays and damage from the salt. That's McKee's 37 Marine and RV Heavy-Duty Cleaner Wax.